Eating cereal every day can have various effects on your body, depending on the type of cereal and your overall diet. Here's what typically happens in your body when you consume cereal regularly. Carbohydrate intake. Cereals are carbohydrate-rich foods, providing a quick source of energy for your body. Consuming cereal daily can contribute to your daily carbohydrate intake. Fiber intake. Many cereals, especially those made from whole grains, can be high in dietary fiber. Fiber aids in digestion, helps maintain regular bowel movements, and can contribute to a feeling of fullness. Nutrient intake. Fortified cereals often contain added vitamins and minerals, which can help you meet your daily nutrient requirements. Common additives include vitamins like B vitamins, thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, folic acid, and minerals like iron and zinc. Weight management. Cereals that are low in added sugars and high in fiber can be part of a balanced diet that aids in weight management by promoting satiety and reducing overeating. Heart health. Whole grain cereals can contribute to heart health by helping to lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Blood sugar. The impact on blood sugar can vary depending on the type of cereal. Whole grain cereals tend to have a lower glycemic index, meaning they have a slower and steadier effect on blood sugar levels. Convenience. Cereal is a convenient and quick breakfast option, which can save time in the morning and ensure that you start your day with a meal. Possible sugar intake. Some cereals, especially sugary or highly processed ones, can be high in added sugars. Excessive sugar intake can lead to weight gain and increase the risk of dental problems, among other health issues. Impact on energy levels. The carbohydrate content in cereal can provide a quick energy boost, but this can also lead to energy spikes and crashes if not balanced with other nutrients. Limited protein and healthy fats. Many cereals are low in protein and healthy fats, which are essential for overall health. Ensuring that your diet includes a variety of protein sources and healthy fats is important. Micronutrient variability. The nutritional content of cereals can vary widely depending on the brand and type. Some cereals may be more fortified with vitamins and minerals than others. It's important to read the nutrition labels to understand the specific nutrients you're getting from your cereal. Gut health. Cereals high in dietary fiber can support a healthy gut microbiome by promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. This can have positive effects on digestion and overall health. Dietary preferences. Cereal can be a suitable option for people with dietary preferences or restrictions, such as vegetarians or vegans, as there are many plant-based cereal choices. Hydration. Cereals are often consumed with milk or a milk alternative, contributing to daily fluid intake, which is crucial for overall health. Caloric intake. Some cereals, particularly those with added sugars, can be calorie-dense. Consuming cereal every day may lead to an increase in daily caloric intake if not portion-controlled. Dental health. Cereals with added sugars can potentially contribute to dental problems, such as cavities. Rinsing your mouth with water or brushing your teeth after consuming sugary cereals can help mitigate this risk.